going straight in. Oh, he's flying, look at this. Up he goes, yeah! Oh, that was one hell of an impact there, folks. Hang on. Hold the applause. That guy was at the bottom end of the arena. Look at that, he's going to get a full leg there. That is an absolute fantastic run, folks. He'll be fighting with that steering. He's just brought it up onto the turf. And it's very, very slippery on here, but maintaining the balance. Look at this as he brings it right up down the arena. You can see the water. Whoa. That's a hot one. Here he comes. And, whoa, look at that. Taking a lot of that burning debris with him there, folks. The safety guys at the ready, just getting him extinguished. It looks like he's okay. Get your hands together. That ramp. Now you watch the height this guy gets. Watch the distance this guy gets. Okay, here he comes, charging the water. Very, very slippery. Up he goes. Look at that, folks. Flying high. Okay, we're going to make this a little bit more interesting now. We're going to get a few of the guys laid down. Okay, here he comes. In line, on time, it's a good line. Is it quick enough? Up he goes. Baby! Right and high. Okay, he's got some signalling. Let's have one more volunteer. A lot more power, a lot more traction, a lot more speed. Let's see how we get on. Here he comes. Charging towards the ramp. It's a good line. Up he goes. Baby! High and clear. So let's see how we get on. Up he goes. Over he goes. Oh, look at that. A beautiful run. Straight up to the James Bond two-wheel drive balance and just careering that thing nice and slowly right on down the whole length of the arena down there. Look at that, some fantastic control. Now Scott is actually ranked second in the world at the James Bond style. World record holder at this one, folks. Let's see how we get on. Here he goes. There's the manoeuvre, over the power, and straight in with a spin one more time. Come on, get that platform ablaze. And there we go. He's just backing that thing off. Come on, get it on, Ringo. Here he goes. Charging towards. It's a good line, isn't it? Quick enough. Oh, and a beautiful landing. Let's get him back over here, folks. Come on, get your hands together, Ringo Ricky. And flying. There we go. Look at that. That's well ablaze. And there he goes, lining himself up. And straight on through the centre of that. And right on out the other end. Taking a lot of that burning debris with him. He's rolling out. Safety guy. Now that is a very narrow runway for this. Scott has had no time whatsoever for practice out here. So, let's see how we get on. He's going to take a very slow approach up that, here he goes, once he's on the level, a bit of power, and away he goes. Hey, look at that, first time off that ramp, that guy got the balance. This is absolutely amazing, taking it right on down, look at that, James Bond style, two-wheel driving, 7.5 ton truck. Stop me at the controls. You can see now why this guy is ranked second in the world at the James Bond style two-wheel drive stunt. Let's get him back over here. Let's get him out of that Aussie truck, and then I want to hear a big one for this. Wait, let's get him back over. That's a noisy truck. Look. Make some noise for celebration! Yeah! Shut up, 450. What are you up for, Sid? Yeah, Master Sid! Leaky. Alright, Brazos first job. Yeah, Master Hill, click right now, 55. Alright, Braz.
second jump. Yeah, well, I know if we can. All for you guys this afternoon. You're paid your money, we're going to give you the best show we can. Yeah, that's a massive nothing. Make some noise for Fraser Swanson. So we want to make a massive round of applause. Alright, Fraser Swanson on his last jump. Yeah, hell clicker today, give it up. Tricks as well, but I'm sure you'll see it in his first couple of jumps. Let's make some noise for John Ritchie! Yeah, there's a huge heel clicker there by John. Yeah, huge shout. That's what I mean. Let's show your appreciation for John Ritchie! Yeah, huge overcoats for you. Chris, what you got? He's going for a cliffhanger. What basically that involves is hooking your legs onto the bars and then letting go and reaching up towards the sky. It's such a scary trick to do because if it goes up, just doing it for the crowd. Go a massive round of applause to Chris Price, everyone. Now ramp, apart, Fraser Swanson on the first jump. Yeah, huge shot for Fraser Swanson. Jump. Let's show your appreciation for Fraser Swanson. Yeah. The Motorbike goes to every show, tries to look his best. Alright, John has got some huge tricks off the front. You saw a few earlier. Let's give it up for John Ritchie! Yeah, nice. No, if we can there. It's a trick. So let's race off for John! Yeah, go up, bar hop. Alright, Chris, first jump. Yeah! That's what he was looking for! Chris, second jump! Yeah! Huge double gravity!
Here's a hot one, here he comes, charging the water ramp. Up he goes, and whoa, and a nice safe jump there. Hey! Looks like he'll be going straight in now. Let's hope those tyres aren't too clogged up with water off this very slippery surface. Guys just giving him a hindsight as to where he's got to head for. Those skid pads are, the guy's just stepping down now. On with the brakes, up he goes. Go on, go on, go on, yo! Baby, he got that up and over. Get your hands together. Blindfold run. Here we go. Around Ringo. Around Mad Mikey, around Little Chris. This is looking good. Around myself. Oh yeah, around Simon. Hold it there, Scott. Hold it there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get that blindfold off. Get your cameras ready. Get your videos ready. Here he comes. Oh, baby, that's a good line. Up. Yay! Look at that. Do you want to see that again? Okay, we're going to bring the Demolition Man and Thundertrax back in, and we're going to get him one more time. I was giving him the signal to go straight on in. Here we go, the Demolition Man and Thundertrax one more time. And now, get your hands together, folks. Stuart Thomas and you better hang on in there, birthday boy. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang, he's blown that to bits, he's out. He's smoking.
He's got some hearts. Let's see, here we go, Jack. Go massive. Another show to do this evening. Alright, Chris. Who wants that second trick? Yeah! Massive! Let's go out for a little one like Chris. We got, yeah, huge Superman.
Brilliant. I'm sure you will all agree. Each and every one of those guys suicidal. Okay, here we go. On with the show. With Chris and the Bandit. This monster truck started its life off in the States, folks. Scott had a good look at it and thought, yeah, I want that truck. So that guy's bought it. One beautiful bit of machinery here, folks. Big Chris at the controls. This guy been driving monster truck for quite a few years now. Used to actually do monster truck racing. So the first of the monster trucks. Car crushing, monster mashing, demolition action. Big Chris and the Bandit. Those wheels high in the sky. Do you want to see that again? Yeah! Come on, you can do better than that. Do you want to see it again? Yeah! Okay, come on, Chris. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher this time. Okay, looks like he's going straight in. He's had his line. Just selecting the gear he wants. And away he goes. The Big Chris and the Bandit. Time the ramp, just at the right time. Here he goes, charging towards that moving ramp. Up he goes, yeah, oh, and a beautiful landing there from Scott. He said, oh, I'm happy with that. He said, come on, Bobo, wheel this one. Never underestimate a stunt clown, folks. Here he goes. There goes Scott, charging towards. Another good line. Up he goes, and another beautiful landing. Let's get Tony Nichols and the Slaine. All the monster truck drivers do this, folks. They just have a little ramp into the front of the vehicles that they're going to hit. This will give them some idea. Once they're about 5 foot away from those vehicles, folks, they just lose all sight of them. They don't see anything. So they just have to hang on and hope that they're going to get a safe landing at the other side. Okay, here we go. In line, on time.